Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Not Your Average Vegan. Today I will be cooking one of my childhood favorites, which is hamburger helper, but of course it will be the vegan way. This hamburger helper is a one-pot dish and is super quick and easy to make, so I'm going to start by prepping some things first. So we're going to begin by mincing some garlic and chopping some onion. If you'd like to see a more detailed video on how I dice my onions, I'll be sure to link that in the cards. Next, I'm going to measure out my seasonings, which I have cayenne pepper, paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, onion powder, and some nutritional yeast. And be sure to check the description box where you can find a full list of the ingredients. What everything looks like, all prepped and ready. Now I'm going to begin to cook my meat, and my meat substitution for today is Beyond Meat's plant-based ground. So after letting my meat cook for a while, I'm going to add in my onion and let that begin to cook off as well. Once my meat and onions are just about finished, I'm going to add in my garlic. And with garlic, you always want to add it at the end because the longer you cook it, the less nutrients that are left. So now I'm going to add in all those seasonings that I measured out earlier, and I'm also going to add in some cocoa aminos just for some extra flavor. And the last thing I'm going to add in before adding the broth is some tomato paste. And you just want to stir all that up until everything is mixed in together. Once that is all mixed in, you want to go ahead and grab your broth of choice. I am using vegetable broth, and you just want to get that into your pan and bring that to a boil. And once that comes to a boil, you want to go ahead and add in your macaroni noodles, and you're going to cook them as you would any other pasta. So I cook these for about 10 to 11 minutes. And once the pasta is finished cooking, we're just about through. We're going to add in 1 whole bag of cheddar cheese, and we're just going to mix it in until all of that cheese is melted. And at this point, you can go ahead and turn your stove off because all we're doing is allowing the cheese to melt, and our hamburger helper is warm enough to do that on its own. And once you get all the cheese mixed in, you want to go ahead and taste it and just make sure the flavors are right for you. And if you feel you need to add any extra seasonings, go ahead and do so. And this is our final product. Super cheesy, so delicious, you guys. Let me know if you guys try this. If you post it on your Instagrams, be sure to tag me and let me know how it went for you. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.